What is going on, Adventure Nation? In this episode, we take you on a little tour of the Rancho Oso RV Resort, and then we head on up the road to Pismo. This is the Motorhome Experiment. Lorraine and I have been sitting around the RV the last couple of days. We went into Santa Barbara, I guess, yesterday for a little bit.
It was all day long.
Upload a video and stuff, but today we decided to get out, wander around the campground, and check out Rancho Oso. As you can see, a lot of tenters here.
Since we're in the tenting section.
Yeah, just see what they have to offer. The Rancho Oso RV and Camping Resort is quite a large property. We decided to make our first stop the Stone Lodge. Alrighty then.
This
what you got here?
is a water spring. That still is a water spring. You can see the water coming out, but I guess they don't use it anymore.
You've never played ping pong before, have you?
Never, ever, ever.
All right. Prepare to die. All right, well, not die, but maybe get beaten.
A little too high. Obviously, we're not doing that right now. This is beginner section.
Oh, Laura, get on. Your point. Okay, we won't be playing for the national team anytime soon.
One matter. I'm testing your height.
Oh! Point, Lorena. Now we're gonna have to get a ping pong table in our RV. Oh, did you see her trying to cheat? Oh, twice she tried to cheat me. Do you see what I have to put up with? She tried to cheat me twice.
Not cheeky, pay attention.
Just up from the Stone Lodge is the main activities area. They have a country store with pretty much all the stuff you'll need for your weekend camping. They also have a pool, a spa, some mini golf, and some other activities for everyone to enjoy. There are gorgeous views of the surrounding mountains from pretty much everywhere in the campground.
I don't know where you're itchy. Tell me where you're itchy. You know, let me pet you. Yeah? Okay, now then. He's like, you're tickling me.
He's like, that's ticklish.
You're tickling me.
Wow, this is a nice horse. So So what do you think of your tour here of Rancho Oso, Lorena?
Oh, you're missing it.
What?
They were hitting each other.
They were headbanging each other?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
See? Wait, National Geographic moment right here.
What do you think of our little tour of Rancho Oso?
It has been pretty cool, like very unexpectedly like pretty, and just in the horses, and everybody's having fun here at the pool. It's been great.
And this weekend is the 50th anniversary of Thousand Trails, actually. So kind of crazy. Rancho Oso being one of the preserves in the Thousand Trails thing. So yeah, kind of cool.
They're doing like a barbecue, and they cut the cake earlier. They were announcing bullhorn all around the campground about free cake that we didn't go to.
Did we get any free cake? No. Oh, that's got blown out. Sorry, folks. A little adjustment needed here.
But didn't have any cake.
We did not have any cake, no.
What do you think about
That's the red
tour?
barn. It's cool. Yeah, it's a nice property. Really nice property. I like it. Would you stay in a teepee?
Yes, but not this one.
Oh, okay.
I have seen some teepees that are very glamping like. I will stay on those ones.
All right, partner, we've circled up the wagons. Now let's get on out of here. She doesn't know who John Wayne is, I don't think.
I know who he is.
It was a really horrible impersonation, but I figured that at least I could get away with it because she wouldn't know.
He sounds that way.
Does he sound that way? Kind of a little bit. Maybe like a real tiny bit.
Everybody
Never mind.
knows John Wayne.
Everybody knows John Wayne?
Even the foreigners know John Wayne. That's how a lot of people think U.S. is. John Wayne, Wild Wild West.
Everyone carries weapons.
Western movies.
Rides horses.
Yes.
All right, Lori, we have seen most of Rancho Oso.
Yes.
And I think it's all downhill from here.
It is pretty much.
No, really, it's literally, we're on the top of the campground. It's all downhill to get to our RV.
Our gym.
So what, do you want to get your butt kicked in pool now that you've had it kicked in ping pong?
I think that was a tie in ping pong. I don't think I got my butt kicked. Now, Paul is very good, so.
We are rolling out of Rancho Oso. We didn't shoot down in the tent area this morning because you guys had already seen that. Plus, well, I can show you this little bit here of the spot we were in, which was really, really pretty, just partially shaded. Very, very nice. Super quiet here, wasn't it?
Yeah, we were very happy with our spot, even though there was no hookups, but we're in an RV, we're prepared for it. And it was beautiful stay, very quiet, the people very respectful. Quiet hours are 11, so people will be talking and chatting until 11, and then after that it will be like quiet.
I personally think 11 o'clock is a better time than 10. 10 people still aren't ready to shut it down yet. You've maybe stopped chatting a little bit, but you're not quite ready.
More on the weekend, right?
Especially on a weekend. Yeah, a lot of these people are on vacation, man. So they're coming out to do a weekend thing, so they're not ready to shut it down at 10. So 11 o'clock is more reasonable, and they were pretty respectful of that, which was cool. But just it was a beautiful stay. There's no train tracks, there's no highway traffic, there's no aircraft noise. Holy smokes.
D1 downside of this campground, like D1.
Yes.
That's hard for us to say here in Thousand Trails, but the one thing that was bad is connectivity. Like there is no cell signal, Wi-Fi was very miserable at the lodge, but they are actually putting a lot of infrastructure for good Wi-Fi coming up here soon. So
that's what we were told. Yes,
we were told that. So
good Wi-Fi at the campgrounds.
Because basically, yeah, it's like people have been asking for it, so they're trying to put that in. Baby horse.
But on and up the road we go. We're rolling up US 154, which is a windy road through this part of the wine country. So that should be pretty cool. And landing today in Pismo.
Yay!
We stayed at different campgrounds in Pismo. We haven't stayed at the one we're going to stay at, so this will be interesting.
We only have stayed at one campground in Pismo before.
Yep, I really want to put the drone up. Do you guys want to see our checkout stuff? We don't need to keep them.
Thanks for coming in.
Thanks, Len. It was awesome. It was a great stay. Thank you so much. If you're looking for a place to disconnect, Rancho Oso Campground may just be the place for you. From Rancho Oso up to Pismo Beach, it is a beautiful drive up through California wine country. We have arrived at Pismo Dunes. Is that what it is called? Pismo Dunes? I think so, right?
No? Pacific Dunes
Pacific
Ranch.
Dunes Ranch. Okay. And this guy here is parked and then wandering around. I'm hoping that we don't touch anything. And I think we're good.
We're good.
Don't want to make sure we don't touch awnings or anything. And yeah, you just stop right there as well, dude. But we've never stayed here before, and we see that it's extremely handy to the dunes and to the Pacific Ocean, so that's kind of cool. Something just fell back there. I'm assuming it's one of our flashlights. And yeah, excited about staying here actually. We got all kinds of stuff falling down here, Lori. We're a mess. Wow, the dunes look really cool. We're gonna have to go get a some kind of sled or toboggan or something and go to the dunes and do that. That'll be fun. Lori and I have arrived here at the dunes near Pismo, and we need to get some work done, some laundry done, so we decided to come out onto the dunes and play instead.
Go for a little hike to the dunes.
I thought we were closer to the ocean, but
That's a lot of dunes.
it's a lot of dunes. I kind of feel like we're back over in Kill Devil Hills on the East Coast.
Kind of like that, yes.
Okay, this is one of those crazy, when you get to the top, you're not at the top yet. We're gonna go up along this ridge, and well, you can see the ocean now, so as we come up over the ridge here. But wow. Holy crap, we're still a long way from the ocean.
We're not going to the ocean.
No, that's not gonna happen.
But we're in the highest dune, I think.
Yeah.
If that counts.
You can see all the people driving on the beach down there. I don't know if you're able to see that.
You can see our feet there.
Yeah, I see an RV there. But we're not driving on that beach. Remember, we got stuck there with the Hamptons.
It was in the minivan.
What happened there, Lori?
We're gonna have sand everywhere. Everywhere.
That's what you get for wearing low-rise jeans.
Yeah, when I landed, there's like a little like hole there, and all the sand just like came in rushing.
But yeah, this is what happens to your legs here when you hit. It is so soft, they just disappear.
Yeah.
All right, I think my pants are full of sand.
Now imagine that, but in your crotch. That's how it felt.
That's awesome. All right, I know Lori and I were playing on the dunes a minute ago, but
that was a last minute decision.
Last minute decision. We were out, went to Walmart, picked up a few things, and we remembered this little melodrama that we came to with Kevin and Laura the last time we were in town. It was really funny. So we're gonna come and see it again. It's a totally different show. So hopefully they've got seats for us.
Three hours later.
Well, Lorena, what did you think?
I think it was amazing.
It was a lot of fun.
Really fun. Come on, car.
The vaudeville thing was really cool. It was like a 60s diner thing. A lot of fun. Guys, they're really, really talented, so that was great.
They're so funny. I mean, they can act, they can sing, and they like the comedy is cool.
Yep. So if you're around the Pismo area, come on down to the Melodrama here and see the show. It's really fun. It was like what? How much was it? 26 bucks?
The Great American Melodrama.
There you have it. And 26 bucks a person, right?
It varies from $23 to $30 depending on the seating.
There you have it. So pretty cheap entertainment. I will say, Lorena, that Rancho Oso has been one of the nicer Thousand Trails we've stayed at.
It's true. It's pretty remote, I have to say. No cell signal, but we quite enjoy our time there. I mean, just like to see the horses there, and it's just so pretty.
That's really the only negative to the place is, no connectivity as well. So if you've got to get work done, not the place, but it is very peaceful and serene. Not a single railroad track to be found or aircraft flying over or any noise whatsoever. The nights are super peaceful, and we just really had a good time.
And many like little towns close to it that are very, very pretty too that you can go and explore.
Yeah, absolutely. If you've got a taste for wine, then there's a lot of cool little wineries around the area.
Olivos, and that's it. What's the other one?
Los Olivos, and then I can't remember the other one.
No. Okay.
But there's Solvang is around there, and there's a lot of cute little towns around there that are worth the visit. And then we headed up to Pismo. We'd been up there before. We hadn't stayed at the Pacific Dunes RV Resort, but super close to the dunes, and we're going to explore that area a little bit more in upcoming episodes. But this is where we're going to end this one. So if this is your first time here, it'd be awesome if you hung out with us a little bit, got to know us, and that means they have to
subscribe. Hit
that subscribe button. It would be equally as cool if you liked the video, and we'll see you again in the next episode.
Bye, guys. Don't forget about Patreon, just in case you want to go. He is like, oh.
And we'll talk about this absolutely gorgeous spot here in an upcoming episode. So again, make sure you subscribe, hang out with us. It would be awesome if you hung out with us a little bit, subscribe to...
He stole my line right there. Okay. You can say it. You can
All right,
continue.
take two. No.